Hi there, my name is Andy and I'm here to teach you how to audio and video record on a PC. So the reason why I am making a video about this is because I'm in a technology course and I'm learning about how to use technology to become a better educator. And one thing that I've learned very recently is how to record audio and video, but I had a hard time finding sources online, so I figured I would go ahead and make one. So one of my friends actually pointed me out to this program here called Microsoft Expression Encoder 4, and you can find this program on a Microsoft website up here. And so all you have to do is select your language and hit download. It is completely free. Keep in mind that this video only records for 10 minutes, which isn't really a problem. As an educator, like if you're trying to flip classrooms, your videos really shouldn't be more than 10 minutes or else you're going to lose your students' attention. And also, if you really need to make it longer, you can combine videos. So now once you've had this program downloaded, I'm going to do my best to explain how to start recording your video, though I can't actually physically show you the menus because it disappears when I'm recording. So I did end up screen capturing some of the menus for you to try to help out. So when you first open the program, you'll see this menu here. I just want to explain some of the buttons real quick. This button here is pretty self-explanatory. If you click it, it will tell you that you're recording your audio as well. Right now this is currently unclicked. This is the webcam equivalent, and this cog here is the settings. Now one thing that I have forgotten to do many times is to go to settings and hit this capture mouse pointer. So this is how you can see like where I'm pointing on the screen, which is very helpful. Okay, and so when you're ready to record, you just have to hit this red record button here. Then it will take you to, it'll give you this little menu down here and this red frame. Now this red frame is what your viewers will be able to see. So make sure that you make this as big or as small as need be so your viewers can understand what you're saying. And so when you're ready to record, just hit the record button down here and it will give you a little countdown from 3 to 1, and when you hear the little chime, that means that it is ready to record. So if you're talking before that little chime, it won't record any of that. Same if you're doing something on your screen. And so when you have completed your recording, make sure you hit the stop button here. And a cool feature too is that you can pause this. You can pause the recording at any time and resume it as well. So when you're satisfied with your recording, you just hit stop, and then this menu will pop up. This is the original menu that I was talking about earlier, except now you'll see that you have some videos on there. And so you either have the option of deleting a video or sending it to an encoder. So if you're wanting to actually upload this or share this video with anyone, you want to highlight the video and select end or send to encoder. And let's see, so this is what the encoder looks like. This is the video I ended up sending to encoder. You can even play it, you can edit it a little bit. And so I'm just going to show you real quick how to upload it. Basically what you're going to want to do is go to output and then select where you want it to go. So I chose to have it go to my podcast folder under my videos for my OneDrive, so I can access this video on multiple devices. I'm just going to hit OK, and then you just have to go to File and Encode. So if you're making a very quick clip, this can only take like half a minute or so. Since this video I have encoded is a little longer, it will take a little longer to encode. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this so you're not just staring at the screen. Okay, so now the video is encoded and it is ready to be uploaded. And one method that I prefer to upload videos on is YouTube. I've actually only done this once before. It was also for this technology class. So I think that this is a very helpful tool and very accessible too. Everyone has access to YouTube. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hit this upload button on the top right of your YouTube screen. Got to make sure that you're signed into a profile as well. So you have the option of uploading this as a public, unlisted, or private. I'm going to choose to make it a private because the video I'm actually uploading isn't that helpful. It's incomplete. Don't really want anyone to see it. But when I upload this video, I'm going to make it, the one I'm recording right now, I'm going to make it public. And so I just want to make sure that this is the correct video. Yep. So I'm going to click this video file here. And I'm going to go ahead and call this test 2. I already had a test 1. And so you can feel free to write a description. I highly recommend that. Tags as well, so people can actually find your video. And then all you got to do is hit done, and it will upload it, and it will tell you the address in which it can be located at. But you don't need to see the rest of that. I just want to talk about real quick on what you can do with these recorded videos, or like what you can record. So I can either make, like 10-minute lessons if I'm trying to do a flipped classroom, which is perfect. They should only really be 10 minutes so you don't lose the attention of your students. Or you can do a quick tutorial or show something neat on the computer to your students. And so one example I wanted to show was making parabolic lines using straight lines sketchpad. And so all you have to do is go to graph. You want to show your graph. You want to make sure that your points are snapped, and you can just start anywhere really. I'm going to do right here. So you're just making straight lines, going one down and one over each time. And there we go. So as you can see, I used straight lines and it ended up making this really cool looking curve. But so that's all I really had. Feel free to let me know in the comments if you have found a better program to record audio and video, or if you have any just suggestions for me at all. I'd appreciate that. Thanks. Have a good day.